Hey folks, and it's a good day today because there's some really positive news in the press and media about drones. Welcome to Droning On Live, by the way. Hit that subscribe button below if you enjoy this kind of ad hoc content. But anyway, what they've been doing is transporting human organs across the Las Vegas desert via drone. Isn't that brilliant? Instead of it using an expensive helicopter, which costs thousands of dollars an hour to run, instead they're using cheap, fast drones. Also quicker, of course, than using land transport because a vehicle is going to take a significantly long time to get across. In this specific story here, which is in USA Today, it talks about two trials on the same day, actually. The first of them where they actually transported a cornea from the eye 2.5 miles. On the same day, they transported research kidneys 10 miles. And I think that's just brilliant. They actually also tested the organs, the tissue tests, to make sure that there wasn't any degradation in the organs, and there wasn't. And that's a really, really good outcome for drones. The problem with this kind of innovation is still the airspace challenge. Regardless of how people think of new and innovative ways to use drones, the problem is still the traffic up there in the sky. Not only from consumers flying recklessly, but from manned aircraft who, have people on board. And so therefore they're a little bit more important than our toy drones. And, occasionally they do have rights to be flying below 500 feet. For example, if they're emergency helicopters, ambulance, or search and rescue, which in a desert is quite common, I would imagine, especially in the Las Vegas area as well, where, as you'll know, there's a lot of air traffic around there, especially helicopters. But this is really nice to see this kind of positive article in the press and media. And let's just hope that it continues, because I don't want to see any of our viewers becoming the topic of the press and media articles which put negative light onto drone operators and also drones. So we've all got to fly responsibly, and then hopefully stuff like this, the positive, happy stuff that promotes us and drone operators and gives us jobs in the future. They're going to be at some point looking for experienced operators to pilot these drones. So it's in our interest to make sure that we keep it safe and promote this stuff. Anyway, share this video if you enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button below if you enjoy this kind of ad hoc content. And thanks for watching. And by the way, exciting announcement in about an hour and a quarter's time. DroningON now has channel memberships with loads of exciting perks. Tons of them, in fact. So go and have a look at the main DroningON channel and join the live premiere in just over an hour's time. And yeah, looking forward to it. Thanks very much, guys.